Good morning, children. Welcome to today's lecture. And today, according to your timetable, you have English language. And in the previous live classes and other remote classes, we have done chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. We have done letter writing and we have done the other things also like unseen passage, reading comprehension. These all things we have done. And in the previous live class on Monday, I taught you the fourth chapter, that is nouns. Here we have already studied what is a noun. Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. And we have also studied the kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. We have studied the definition of it. We have studied examples of it and how to use these type of nouns in a sentence. And I hope you all have understood everything. Okay? And today we will be doing the copywork of this chapter. So before this, let me revise again the entire thing. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is the name of particular person, place or thing. Like Mahabharata is a great epic. So if I say Mahabharata, so Mahabharata will be I am particularly referring to a book. You all understand what is Mahabharata. So if I'm specifically you are understanding, if I say Mahabharata, you are understanding what is Mahabharata. It is a book. So Mahabharata will be a proper noun. Second example is here. The example is the Yamuna is a holy river. So if I say Yamuna, you know that I'm talking about river Yamuna only that flows in the country. It is a river in country India. So I'm specifically talking about Yamuna. So Yamuna will be a proper noun. Next, common noun. As you have studied in this definition of proper noun, in common noun is the name of common noun is the name of person, place, animal and thing in general. It is a name of person, place, animal, thing in general. That means that here in common noun, the name that is shared in common by everything of the same class or kind. Suppose if I say teacher, it can be a science teacher also, it can be a Hindi teacher also, it can be an English teacher also, it can be a math teacher also, it can be a computer teacher also. But if I'm saying the word teacher, it makes a combination of everyone. Suppose in your school Shadma ma'am, Minakshi ma'am, Himlata ma'am, Arpit sir, Pratyush sir, all the teachers are here, Shweta ma'am, all are there. So but if I am saying teacher, so it refers to everybody in your school. In the same manner, if I refer students, so every students of the school, so each and every student of the school will come under this category. So the word teacher, school, student, father, mother, doctor, patient, these all are common nouns. Okay. Now next is abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of some quality, action or state of feeling. So what is an abstract noun? It is the name of some quality, action or state of feeling. Okay. And unlike other nouns you can touch and see, but these kind of nouns, it cannot be touched also and it cannot be seen also. You cannot touch these kind of nouns and you cannot see it with your naked eyes. Now example, I cannot forget the happy days of my childhood. If I say childhood, so you can only experience childhood, you can only feel childhood, but you cannot touch or see childhood. Childhood will be an abstract noun. Like this only, everyone admires his intelligence. So what is intelligence here? Intelligence is also a quality of a person, whether he's intelligent, whether he's not intelligent. Here intelligence is a quality of a person and which cannot be touched, which cannot be seen. So this is an abstract noun. The next type of noun is collective noun. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name of collections or group of persons, things or places. It is also not written in capital letters when used in the middle of a sentence. Example, our team played well, the army marched ahead. I have told you, like collective noun is the name of you can say it is a noun that tells about a collection. I gave you an example from the live class. All is in a bouquet. So what is bouquet? It is a collection of different flowers in one. So the collection of different flowers in one is called a bouquet. So the word bouquet here is a collective noun. Okay, I'll give you the example. So team, whether it is a cricket team, whether it is a hockey team, whether it is a football team, whether it is a basketball team. So a team is a collection of players. So team will be a collective noun here. Okay, here are the some examples of collective nouns. This you can read from your book. Okay, the next type of noun is, we have the last type of noun is material noun. What is a material noun? It stands for things, mostly non-living things, like material or substances or ingredients for making things. Okay, so other whatever material you see, paper, pen, chalk, duster, fan, tube light, door, window, knife, all or other ingredients, these all are materials and these will be called as material noun. Okay, we have done the explanation. Today your homework will be, you will be doing the copywork of this chapter. You will write the date first and you will write chapter for nouns, the definition of nouns, the types of nouns, and the example. Just 2 pages are there. Do it in your language copy and send the photo in the class WhatsApp group. I'll be sending you a PDF of this in your WhatsApp group, or I'll WhatsApp group also, and in your school app also, and you have to do it in your language copy and send the photo in the class WhatsApp group. Okay, children, I hope you all are fine in this coronavirus pandemic and you are following the guidelines of the government of India and World Health Organization, and you all are safe in this time. So we'll be meeting in the next lecture. Thank you all.